Remember blackboards? They were nice for things that you didn't want to keep a physical copy of, but one problem with them might be that every time you cleaned them off, you had a mess of chalk dust. Well, enter the digital age, and we now have something like this. 12-inch screen size LCD panel, colorful writing tablet. Lock the contents, sketchpad, to-do lists, memo pad. Environmentally. There's a picture of it. Some features you can read if you feel like it. Specifications. You can pause the video if you feel like it. CR2032 button battery is used for this product. Some more reading you can do. Of course, we're more interested in just getting into it. There's your tablet. And there's your stylus. Now how do we take it out? Oh, probably from the back. You can press it there. Oh. And then it jumps out. Do note though, there is an on and off button there. Switch it on. And now you can start to write. What shall we do? Yeah. Unfortunately not quite as clear as on the box. I mean, look at that and that. You can see the sketch so clearly in yellow, while in reality, let's do some close-ups. Let's just wipe that first. Right. Can you read that? Yeah, not quite as clear as they show on the box. It's not yellow, it's more of a, what is that, bluish turquoise color, I would say. Hello. I suppose it'll do. Of course, a blackboard is nicer with a white chalk on it. It would just write much thicker. Let's just clear this. Let's try with the bottom of the pen. Hello! Yeah, I don't know if I like it. Let me see with my finger. Hi! Well, I suppose it's okay for some temporary notes or something, and for a child to draw on. Unless of course you want to keep the sketch. Most people might want to keep what their children draw, if it's something special. But if it's on something like this, I don't think you can save it and transfer it to computer. Not with this model anyway, maybe some other more sophisticated models. Let's try one more sketch. Lion. Just so we know what it's like to draw on this thing. Although I will say I don't really like this bluish green color. A pure white or a bright yellow might have been better. Of course, now to make sure you don't accidentally delete your sketch, you can just turn it off. Oh, they actually have like a picture of a lock there. Lock and unlock. I thought it's the on and off button. When it's in the off or locked position, then yeah, you can try to delete it as much as you want, it won't delete. Can you add stuff to it though? Yes, you can still add stuff, just not delete what's on there already. Anyway, that then is the Baibian 12-inch LCD panel. Now, please subscribe and we'll explore some more stuff in the next video.
Wat het ons hier? Dis goed ontwerpte planne vir 'n boerderyrobot, my heer. Basies volledig. Dis wat ek gedink het. Met 'n paar klein veranderingkies en ons kan bediening begin vervaardig en verkoop.